to Ibis Landing. My name is Jerel Nixon with DR Horton. I'm going to be providing you the tour of the Marion Townhome floor plan. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It also comes with a 1-car garage. But let's go through the front door of the Marion and take a look. The AC feels great. So this is the Marion floor plan. We've got low E, energy efficient windows throughout the home, making it easy to heat and cool the home. As you walk in, you'll notice this Q panel. This is going to be able to control your smart devices, the home automation. You've got a Z-Wave front door lock. Your garage will also be smart capable. Your thermostat is controllable through an app or here at the smart panel. And as we come forward into the home, it's going to lead you into the dining room area, which has a lot of natural light. Beautiful windows throughout the dining there. As we move forward through the home, we're going to enter into the living and dining space. We're greeted with the kitchen. You're going to have beautiful stainless steel microwave, range, and also a dishwasher. The granite countertops complement the LVP flooring perfectly that you're going to have throughout the dining and living room area. And as we come into the dining room, this is why this is one of the most amazing townhomes. Look at these vaulted ceilings. Got beautiful transom windows up top there, full-size windows to let in that natural light. It just really gives it that grand feel. Great space for any entertaining guests. You got some bar area here that opens up into the living room. And as we move to the end of the hall here, you got your owner suite on the first level. So we've decorated it here with a king-size bed, plenty of space here to stretch your arms, do some yoga on the side in the morning if you need to, just kidding. As we enter the bathroom, we've done some cultured marble tops here. These are very popular. They have a satin finish, and we've got our chrome Moen finishes here as well. We've got a 5-foot walk-in glass shower as well. We've got our elongated toilets and a nice walk-in closet with a little bit of shelving here as well. As we make our way out of the owner's suite, we're going to head upstairs so you can see the rest of the Marion floor plan. One of my favorite parts is how the staircase is open to the rest of the living area and dining area there. So as you come up to the top floor, you're going to be greeted by this small area. We made it into a great study. You can pop your laptop up, kind of get some work done there while you're just moseying around the house, doing some laundry maybe. And you're going to enter into a guest bedroom here. Lots of great lighting throughout the bedroom. I love how we've put a double window on the outside here, and you've also got a single window near the closet. So you just get a ton of natural light throughout this bedroom. Closets are a good size, especially for a guest bedroom. And then as we move on to the rest of the home, you're going to have a guest bathroom here. All the bathrooms will have the LVP flooring and the cultured marble tops. Window in the bathroom to let in some of that natural light as well. Again, the home is equipped with Z-Wave, Honeywell thermostats throughout, allow you to control it from the app. This is going to be the next guest bedroom. Really good size in here. Nice lighting coming in from the double windows. And take a look at the closet. We've got another great size closet within the bedroom. Lots of storage. Let's take a look at this extra space that we built inside the Marion floor plan. Again, this is about 1,900 square feet, so it's extremely large. And not to bore you, we've had a lot of storage space. This is actually a double closet. We've got a lot of closets throughout the home. And sometimes we will make this the laundry room. In this particular plan, we've got the laundry on the first level. And we've opened up this area here, so you can entertain, you can have your guests down on the ground level. If you've got a big get-together, great extra living space here, movie space, and lots of natural light coming in as well. So I absolutely love this space. More closet space. And we can actually build this as a 4-bedroom, so sometimes we'll wall this in, and this will actually be a 4-bedroom Marion. So keep in mind, you can do the 3-bedroom option where it opens up to the living space, or we could do a 4-bedroom option. All right, guys, again, thank you for coming by. This is our Marion floor plan. It's 1,897 square feet, located just outside of Wilmington, North Carolina, in Leland. You're getting our upgraded granite finishes and lots of extras. Please give me a call if I can help. You'd like to talk about pricing. We've got some special interest rates as low as 4.75, and even some incentives that are a little bit lower than that. My number is 910-604-2664. So look forward to hearing from you and have a wonderful day. Thanks for coming.